In this video, we give you an overview of all the changes introduced since Halocline 2021.1. We have revised the visual representation of the CAD data. They now not only look better, but also support you in your spatial perception. Compared to before, the colors of your CAD file are much easier to recognize, making it easier to distinguish between individual components. We have also improved depth perception by making objects display a proximity shadow. Now the part boundaries are much easier to see and help you better estimate the spatial depth in assembly situations. We have completely reworked this selection of objects and developed a new Select tool. This tool allows you to select multiple parts. Additionally, you're able to select interior parts by temporarily hiding objects. If you want to remove parts from your selection, you can use the new deselect mode to isolate your selection and remove unwanted parts. With our new selection filter, you can use your structure tree from your CAD file and make your CAD hierarchy visible. The assemblies are colored according to the hierarchy level. You can navigate through all hierarchy levels and use the filter for your object selection. We were able to make exporting much easier with the new Select tool. You can now export any object selection without having to mark it specifically for the export. Just select the objects, go to the Export tab, check your selection with the improved preview, and export your data to Halocline layout. For all users of the beta version, we have improved the accuracy, performance, and stability of collision detection. Thereby, the results are significantly more reliable. We have added an undo redo function that allows you to reset and redo actions. Last but not least, we added a screenshot feature in VR and in the desktop overlay.
For an easy start with Halocline layout, you can now download a tutorial Shopfloor. This contains a basic and an advanced training. You can go through the training with the help of the signs at each station. Additionally, there are new videos available which explain all basic functions step by step. To make it easier to switch between work areas in VR, there are name labels at each area. By clicking on the label, you can easily switch to that area. For a first ergonomic assessment in Halocline layout, you can place reach distance avatars during your planning. Various visualizations show you how easily accessible individual areas of your workstation are. In the desktop configurator, you can create and customize the avatars with different body sizes. In this release, the library has been visually adapted and new functions have been added. The revised layout allows you to manage your filters and objects more easily. In addition, there is now a search function that allows you to search by name to find relevant objects more quickly. You can use the touchpad to cycle through the library items. This gives you a preview of the items in real size. If the preview blocks your view, you can deselect the item. When you add a new object to the library, it now opens automatically. This makes it easier for you to add names and tags and keep your library organized. A new feature is the input of weight. You can assign a weight to all objects that are movable in Halocline Performance via library or via menu.
In Halocline Performance, the weight information is collected with the recordings. By exporting as a table, you can see the weight of the grubbed parts. In addition, the table shows all components that you have joined using the assemble function as assembled. When playing through the assembly process, the hand position has also been adjusted. In addition, it is now possible to move tools into other objects. This helps you to perform your process more accurately. The layout and performance beta features are now easier to try out. If you are part of the beta program, you can switch between the regular and beta version in the settings menu and don't need an additional installation. Here, you can also create a backup of your data beforehand. In the beta, you can now not only present the planning in a multi-user meeting with your colleagues, but also demonstrate how objects should be moved. Additionally, notes and annotations can be made with the drawing tool. We wish you a lot of fun trying our new features. You can find more information on our website and on our help desk.